First we'll go over what these scripts are going to do. So it's going to let you right click, create, stat, new player stat. Now once you create that, you can set the starting values. Whatever you set these to will become the current values. Then you have increase rates and decrease rates. So once you set these up, go to your player, drag over the player stats, and now the player has all these stats. So if we hit play, we have our thirst and food going down. Once it hits 0, the health will go down. Alright, you're going to want to start by making a new canvas. So UI, canvas, and then on the canvas make a UI. Then you want a slider. Rename the slider health. Change the background color and the fill color. And then duplicate. And make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Then once you're done that, go to Assets, right click, create folder. Call this folder Scriptable Objects. Inside that a stat folder. Then a stat scripts, player stat scripts. And you have 2 scripts in here. We got stat and stat display. So we'll go over the stat script first. The create asset menu line up here is what lets us create stat, new player stat. If you look here, stat, new player stat. And here we have our text area for our public new string name, which is 5 lines down, and description 10 lines down. That's what gives us the space here. And we go in our current values. We've got a header for current values. That gives us this. Then we have a space of 5. This line here gives us the sliders with a range of 0 to 500. Then we have our health, thirst, hunger, stamina, blood, the max values, the increase values, and the decrease values. Then we got our minimum values of 0. I'm going to our stat display. This is what connects the scripts here, this public stat. What that lets us do is when we go down, put stat dot, and all the things we have set in stat, the rates, you can set here. Now this is connected with the other script. So we got our stat health equals to our stat max health. That's setting our starting values on the bars. Then our health bar dot max value is equal to our health. And our stat death bool equals false. We go to update UI. Then on our update, we have if not dead or not running. Our thirst is equal to our thirst down rate. Hunger is hunger down rate. And our stamina is equal to our stamina up rate. If hunger, thirst, blood, temp less or equal to minimum, then our health stat is equal to our health down rate. If running, stat stamina is equal to stamina down rate. And then we got stat thirst is equal to thirst down rate times 2. Same with the hunger. Else, our stamina is equal to our stat stamina up. And we got if health is less or equal to 0, we do the die function, which sends us to the bottom. Death equals true. And another update UI. And then we got our clamps. These are the maximum our health and other stats can go to. And then our values, health bar value equals stat health. Public void for getting damaged. And our death. And I think that's about it. Oh, you can drag any one of these onto your player and it will change right away. So we have our player stat, we can put our new stats on.